Ah, bonsoir à tous, comment allez-vous? Bonjour, pardon. Euh, attends, nous sommes où? J'ai apparu ici. Ah, je sais. Ah, mon cheval, regarde. Regarde mon cheval. Tu sais comment j'ai appelé mon cheval, celui-là que je vais acheter? Je l'avais appelé la raclure. Que c'était une raclure de bidet. Là, lui, je lui ai laissé son nom de base. Ah, la fumée, elle se voit de loin,
Herr
putain.
Morgan, Herr Morgan. Mr. Strauss, you
Hop
busy, my
là.
friend? Why, I'll cut you in.
Je travaille pour vous.
Already?
Arrêtez,
You know
normalement, c'est
how
vous
it
qui avez
is.
travaillé. Tout le monde
People
doit
is
travailler.
happy to
Donc, je
borrow
trouve
off
que la
someone
mode
like
online
me,
n'est pas
but
très bien.
more enthusiastic paying back to someone like you, of course.
En fait, je le
You
trouve
are
assez vide, le
you see,
online, comparé au
Chick
online de GTA, tu vois.
Matthews works at
Ils ont
Guthrie
tout,
Farm. He's
ils
a
ont fait.
hand, I believe. Mr. Roble, the small holder at Painted Sky, runs the operations there, badly. Miss Lily Millet is a ranch maid up at Emerald Ranch.
And here was me believing Dutch's bluster about us helping folks.
Ouais, voilà,
It's
ça.
legal work, Mr. Morgan. Debtors belong in prison. We are doing them a favor.
En gros,
I'll make sure they see it.
on va devoir récupérer l'argent des gens.
Put the debts in...
Hey, enough out of you! Stay back from the wagon, sir. Transporting a fugitive. Hey! Hey, you! Please!
Non, mais c'est bon. Allez. On n'est pas fugitifs, nous. On est bien, on est droit.
Shut up and keep still!
Allez.
Easy.
On va aller à l'intérieur. Donc là, on est arrivé où on a été dans un camp et on a un jeune, tu sais.
Knock, knock, Mr. Robe.
Et le jeune, il nous a sauvé la vie. C'est-à-dire.
God damn it. English? You
Me,
speak English?
Silesia.
Yeah, good for
Upper
you.
Silesia.
I'm here for money. You borrow from a German man?
Aha, German. Mein Herr, sprechen the Kaiserreich.
I don't speak German neither. I'm here for money. Money that you borrowed from Leopold Strauss.
Leopold Strauss.
Ah, il connaît là par contre.
So it's time to pay. Where is it?
Well, no, have nothing. It's very bad winter.
We've all had a bad winter, pal. Where is it?
Allez, on va lui défoncer la gueule, je suppose.
Nie, nie.
On va le menacer avant.
Now, you remember where you're keeping that silver?
Potrzebuję trochę czasu. Znajdę ci pieniądze.
Oh, still don't understand you.
Ah, attends, c'est bon, on lui a menacé, il veut pas, bah maintenant on tape, hein.
Here's the money. Gold.
Allez, hein.
Dollars.
Nie rób tego. I have nothing.
Bon, on va continuer par le défoncer.
Przestań. Nie. 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 Już.
En vrai, Lucky, tu devrais bien
Już nie
te...
mam siły.
Ah ouais, bah oui, mais tu peux pas avoir fait le tour de l'online.
No.
T'as que 20 heures de...
No. No, nie. No, no,
Heures de jeu.
no, no, please no. No have money, but I have this. It's good, it's good, it's valuable.
Ah ouais, mais totalement.
Warszawa, yes.
I have your things. Okay? I have anything in here or out there.
Yes.
En vrai, c'est à moi de trouver la maison. Je peux le fouiller. Il peut pas me rendre de l'objet directement.
No, 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 no.
Yes, 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 yes.
Oui, c'est bon. C'est bon, on a récupéré la dette.
Okay, that should about cover things.
Ouais, mais je trouve que c'est assez. Ah, c'est dans la cagnotte du camp carrément.
Hey, Arthur.
Miss Karen, all good?
Too good. Like to take the fella and not feel bad about it.
Parce que
Somehow
voilà
it
quoi.
doesn't surprise me. Stay alert.
Attends Dutch. Salut.
Real shame about them calendar boys, I reckon. Sure.
Waouh, what? Peut-être, ouais. Ouais, bah voilà, c'est ça. C'est bien ce que je pensais. Utilisez le registre pour acheter l'amélioration du camp. Ah bah tu vois, on a le registre maintenant. Arthur, objet de valeur 38 hasard. Quoi ça encore? Attends, pas je suis. Je demande la quantité totale à ajouter du médicament miracle pour votre sang-froid. Provision. Ah. Là. Bon, normalement on devait jouer à un petit jeu indé, mais
How did you get
je
on,
sais pas
Herr
si
Morgan?
je pouvais le stream, donc j'ai demandé et j'attends les réponses maintenant.
Good, very good.
My pleasure.
Well, if it's pleasure you're after,
Donc du coup on
there
est
is
sur
one
du
other,
Red Dead.
this farmer preacher fellow I met in Valentine, Mr. Downs.
The opinionated little do-gooder? Yeah, I know the one. I certainly know the type.
Thank you, Herr Morgan.
There's no need to thank me. Like you said, it's pleasure I'm after.
He's more slippery than he seems. I've tried being polite. Don't take any nonsense.
Nonsense? Me?
If he doesn't have the money, beat him.
I usually do.
I know.
Pas non plus.
Would you be interested in some friendly competition?
Vas-y hein.
I've come all the way north from Mexico to challenge a real American gunslinger. You him?
C'est moi.
Me?
Allez.
A real gunslinger? Let's find out.
Okay, man. That's
Ouais,
what
bah
I
la
like to
même.
hear. Look, man, rules are simple, okay? Whoever shoots more of these bottles wins. Just draw your gun and aim when you're ready. All right? Shoot! Perfecto.
Attends. Attends. C'est bon? Il reste encore.
Damn it all! How the hell did you beat me, huh? Oh,
Ah, tu tires 3.
I suppose.
Ah ouais.
that didn't make me happy at all. How about we raise the stakes, huh?
Ah, vas-y, je suis pas $10 près moi.
Ha! That's a good call, amigo. Right? Real simple. First one to hit 4 flying birds wins.
4 oiseaux.
Stand near me, and as soon as they come out, it's anyone's shot. Be patient. Ah, there they go. Shoot!
Ouais, je vais le battre. Oh là là là. C'est pas où ça? Pas battu, je suppose.
It was a good try, but maybe next
On peut
time,
ramasser les
huh?
oiseaux, oui, merci.
Listen, you need to pay me for your loss, okay?
Ok.
Hey, hey! Okay, give me what you owe me, cowboy.
Quoi? Oh. Alors, quel honneur? Ouais, il m'a pris une... What? Mais moi je voulais juste récupérer les oiseaux que j'ai butés quoi. Oh là 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 là. Oh ça va, ouais. Mort. Ah. Bon, c'était rapide. Pas un dollar, mais c'était rapide. Moi, c'est ma première mort, d'ailleurs, du jeu. Première mort du jeu, d'accord. Dans une putain d'embuscade. Voilà, là, je vous jure. Nouvelle entrée, ok. Ah, au fait, d'ailleurs, si jamais vous pouvez rejoindre ma chaîne YouTube, ça serait magnifique.
Break's over, boy. Giddy up.
Attends, du coup. On va peut-être manger dans la limite du raisonnable. Voilà, merci.
Maybe ye shall find peace.
Voilà.
Help the blind. Maybe ye shall see.
Qu'est-ce qu'il fout la vulgue ici, d'ailleurs?
Help a blind man.
There you go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
C'est le route passante ici?
Keep moving. But don't move too fast.
Okay. I ain't too sure what to make of that.
Pause publicitaire en 30.
Carrément, ouais, c'est chelou un peu, non?
You check Matthews?
Oh, no, no, not me, sir. That's the greenhorn over there. Oh, and there he goes.
Comment ça, il se tire? Oh le fils!
Hey, get back here. You owe us money.
Oh, il va vite le con.
Go, go.
Les chires va plus vite. J'en sais rien en fait. L'assaut parce que sinon après on n'aura pas de récompense. Et on fait comment si on le bute? Là on fait comme tout à l'heure. Hein.
You don't want to get me angry, boy.
Un cheval de trait c'est pas très ouf. Hein.
Go. You make me go much further, I'll get more than a debt off you.
You're too slow, old man.
Yeah.
Tu vas foutre avec le train quoi.
Chance to save your hide. Stop. Not so fast.
C'est con d'être dans la boue hein. Donc rouler va.
Holy Moses! Look, I got the money, but it's hidden. Untie me and I'll tell you where it is.
Goddamn treasure hunt? You're lucky I ain't taking
On a la carte.
as well.
Get the ropes off already.
Ah ouais. Ah. Oh ça c'est tous des objets de valeur. Pourquoi je les vends pas ça, tout ça là? Hein?
Again, you stop! Aren't you gonna untie me?
Quelque chose vient m'arriver. Les possessions terrestres sont cachées
You
ici.
got the map. Do the decent thing.
La maison en face de la maison, c'est ça? Dans un arbre. Je vais juste le prendre pour lui. Pour qu'il voit bien qu'on a trouvé son trésor, tu sais. Ouais, jamais de la vie je trouvais son trésor. Hein. Oh, il glisse. Waouh, attends ça. Ça va mon cheval, t'inquiète. Tout à fait normal. Dans la pente descendante, c'est normal. Alors, il faut trouver un gros... Bah là. Oui, on est d'accord. Hein. Il ressemble bien en tout cas à la photo. Ah, au dessin. Hop là. Être récupéré. Allez, c'est bon, on a récupéré ta dette.
We're going.
Casse-toi.
Ain't no one gonna help me?
Oh. Parce qu'on est pas couillon, parce que sinon on aurait pu te laisser là au loup. En vrai. Casse-toi. Faut que je change d'avis.
Okay, boy.
Ok, boy. Bon bah attends, autant n'importe le vent. Hein. On va aller faire celle-là. Hein. On va faire celle-là, on y est. Autant y aller. Et après on mettra les sommes dans la truc à Dutch. Envoyer du courrier?
You got postage?
Hein?
All set to go?
On peut envoyer un petit brochet. On va l'envoyer à qui?
Don't fret none. This'll get going in no time.
Ok. J'ai envoyé un petit brochet. Je sais pas à qui. Oui.
Boy,
Ça a l'air fort, ouais. Ou alors c'est parti, je sais pas, mais. Ça a l'air toujours fort, de toute façon. J'ai l'impression.
You have any idea of the hole I'm in?
Oh, come on! Why's it always gotta be such a goddamn performance with you? Now, I told you I'd get you the money next week, and I'll get it.
If you didn't make it this week, who's to say you'll make it next?
Don't you take that tone with me. I thought you said you loved
I
me.
do, but what I get paid ain't enough for one person, let alone two. Your money's gotta be your problem now.
The only problem I got is this bleating going on in my ear. Now
Ah.
lay off it, Lily. God damn it.
Lily, where's our money?
What?
That loan you took. It's payday.
I'm sorry. I don't have it right now.
Well then, I guess we got a big problem, don't we?
Cooper, give him what you've got.
I ain't giving him nothing except a lessening damn manners.
Oh ouais, mais putain, mais. Oh. En vrai, étrangler, c'est pas si mal. Ça te fait arrêter le combat maintenant. C'est ça le but, je crois. Argent de la dette de Lily. Pas nickel.
All I gave to him, so you could take it off of his dead body, you son of a bitch. You
Ah,
got
si.
your money, leave me alone.
I didn't steal that, it's a debt. Oh, damn it.
What do you want? I've got nothing to say to you.
Ouais, c'est pas grave, regarde. Hop.
Right, boy.
On sera parti avant que les flics n'arrivent. T'inquiétez pas. Ah, les flics. Les shérifs. Tournons, monsieur. Un bureau de poste en plus. Va. Ah, il y a une tente. Question de prime se trouve dans votre... Allez, on y va. À chaque fois, je prends que mon... Oh non. On va le nettoyer. C'est jamais, hein.
Hey there, friend. Come. Stop on by for a moment.
Parce que tu m'appelles l'ami que directement je suis ton ami, ok?
The name's William.
Ok, William.
Arthur,
Bonjour.
You familiar with the study of plants, my friend?
familiar ain't quite the word I'd use.
Well, let me tell you. This great earth beneath our feet can provide everything man ever needs. But we've only reached a tiny bit of its potential. You see, There are thousands, maybe millions of plants
Ah,
all across this vast country we share. The mountains, the plains, the swamps. I mean to explore them all, to know all of nature's bounty and all of her wonder. If I
D'accord.
can.
Sure.
But I'm only one man. Would you consider helping me with gathering herbs for my studies?
Why?
Knowledge, kindness, beauty.
Well, I'm
Uh,
ignorant, ugly, and nasty.
Oh.
Well, let's see if maybe we can do something about that.
I'll see.
À chaque fois, je perds mon chapeau.
I'm looking for a plant called yarrow. You can distinguish it by its red flowers. It shouldn't be too hard to find. They thrive out in the open under direct sunlight.
Que c'est ça? Ah non, c'est des cactus. Il y a des tours de garde quand même. Hein. Avant c'était Bill, après c'était ici, après c'était là. Oh, il y a de la bouffe.
Just leave me alone, will you?
You're pathetic. You're a pathetic man, John
Morning,
Marston.
Arthur.
Don't I know it?
Ah, ça.
You know, these hides and furs can also be done up
Ah ouais, allez, allez.
boots and such. Beyond my skills, but there's a trapper that travels around these parts.
Yeah,
a
baby.
Canadian feller, skilled tanner. He can make just about anything. You should drop in on him sometime.
Okay, I'll keep my eye out for him.
Pas mal qu'elle est en mauvais état, mais.
Good job, Mr. Morgan.
Sur le basique tonique. Non, médicament miracle et. Voilà. Là, on a. On va avoir un petit camp miracle. On va passer en dessous des. Allez, on va voir Dutch. Hein. Pas ce qu'il veut, mais.
Arthur. Dutch? Miss O'Shea?
Well, feels like we are finally getting back on our feet.
You, find a buyer for them bonds we stole?
Not yet, but Jose is working on it.
When we heading west?
Soon? I don't know.
Feels like things have changed. The whole world's changed. But they don't want folk like us no more. We're being hunted.
We are smarter than them. Only the feeblest of men take jobs in the government.
I hope so.
Trust Dutch, Mr. Morgan. You have to.
They got Micah! Dutch! Arthur!
What's going on?
They got Micah. He's been arrested for murder. He was in Strawberry
It's
and
okay, son. Breathe.
Quoi?
they nearly lynched me. They got Micah and the sheriffs in Strawberry. And there's talk of hanging him.
Here's hoping.
Arthur.
What? The fool brought this on
Ouais,
himself.
franchement, il est chiant lui. hein. Si c'est le mec avec les longs cheveux, vas-y, je le laisse pourrir avant de faire la mission.
No, I ain't saving that fool.
I can't go. My face will be all over West Elizabeth. I am asking. He would do it for you.
I don't think he would, but fine, all right.
Arthur.
You okay, Lenny?
Yeah, of course I'm okay.
You don't seem okay.
You take that kid into town. Valentine, not Strawberry. Get him drunk. And Arthur, no crazy business.
I've given that up.
And you get Micah out of that jail.
Come on, son.
Donc on y va
I'll
maintenant.
get to it, Dutch. Just can't drop everything.
On y va maintenant. On aurait pas dû faire la mission. Au Chaloun. Chaloun. Le Valentine.
I rode as fast as I could. Didn't stop for nothing.
You're all right now. We'll take care of it.
So you're gonna go get him? I'll come with you.
Here we are.
Ouais, donc ouais, ok, d'accord, maintenant. Ouais, autant de merde, de monde. Ah.
Just one or two, right, Arthur?
Of course, just a drink. No big drama. Can we get a couple beers, please?
You, I don't want no trouble.
You'll get none from me. I was defending myself.
Tommy, he's...
He'll be fine. Here, have one for yourself.
Thank you. Micah seemed to know a lot of people. That was the problem.
How you mean?
I mean, I done seen a lot of crazy stuff, but Micah...
of crazy stuff. Will you shut up? Will you
Ah bah ça,
up? Be quiet, buddy.
m'étonne.
Oh, there, dullards! My lord, you men is dull.
Hey, leave this fool alone.
Déjà un, c'est déjà trop.
Leave the fool alone. People been leaving me alone for the last 10 years. I'm bored with being left alone.
Listen, buddy.
Pause publicitaire
You're a
entrante.
charming fellow. One of the best. But me and the kid here, we're trying to talk business.
Ouais, c'est...
Could you possibly leave us alone? No offense intended.
Ain't no pleasing some folk. Just trying to be friendly.
T'as pu le défoncer la gueule, mais... Heureusement que c'était un ou deux verres. Hein.
That's great, pardon. Lenny, where are you?
Ah.
You know which way my friend went?
I don't know, sorry.
Lenny? Can't find my friend. You know where he went?
No, sorry.
Hey, you see my friend anywhere?
Sorry, I don't know.
Et un.
Lenny! See that fella I was with?
Don't know.
Hey, Lenny!
Non, dehors, dehors.
Lenny, where are you? What are you doing, kid?
Hello, Arthur.
Ah mais... Ah j'ai cru... Ah non, il pisse. Oh.
You know what? I don't know.
Ah non, il pisse pas.
Man, why ain't you never married?
Ah.
That's the thing.
Ouais, comme tu dis.
Is it? Lenny? Lenny!
Ah vas-y, faut pas le chercher tout le temps, non?
Here, Lenny! Slippery little shit, ain't you?
Oh merde, il est par terre. Et
Leave the kid alone, you goddamn animals!
Who do you think you're talking to?
Nobody. I'm talking to nobody.
What did you say?
What?
I said, what did you say?
Get lost, buddy.
Shut up, mister! Yeah, shut your mouth, mister.
what the fuck? C'est parti pour me battre, moi. Ah, on pisse. J'avais même pas vu le sgag. Oh, toi, on pisse longtemps. Oh, ah, ok.
Lenny!
Lenny?
Tout le monde est du Lenny en fait.
Damn it, Lenny, stop slumping off on me.
How many of you had, pal?
Et là, Lenny.
There you are, Lenny.
I'm Clyde. You
Oh
got the
merde.
wrong fella.
Ah là. Il est un peu trop musclé pour que ça soit Lenny. En fait.
Damn it, boy. Been looking all over for you, Lenny.
Lenny, what are you talking about? Arthur, Arthur, what are you doing?
Ah.
You're a good friend to me, Arthur.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Not you again.
Voilà. On le noyer ici? C'est vraiment une sacrée beuverie qu'ils sont en train de se prendre. Hein. Bravo, fils. Passe encore. Oh, je vais pas aller loin. Hein.
Stop right now, you drunken fool. I said stop.
Liberty and the pursuit of happiness.
Ok. Oh.
Oh, you moron, Morgan. Oh, you moron. Not again.
Merde. On va tranquille, passer tranquille que ça.
What's the problem?
Problem? No, there's no problem. Quite the contrary. Well, there is a problem. For me, but not for you.
All right. I ain't got time for
No, wait! Give me a minute of your life. I might just change it forever. I'm sure you will have heard of me. Maximo Cristobal Valdespino, the renowned explorer.
this. Can't say I have.
There has been much written about me. I once had high tea with the Viceroy of India. I helped liberate South America. I've climbed mountains and swum across seas. I have had many women. I've spent the last 3 months hunting treasure on the American frontier. Beautiful country. Reminds me a lot of Almeria. But tomorrow I set sail for the island of Shikoku in the Japanese archipelago in search of the legendary Tokushima sapphire.
Well, good for you.
No, hold on. You see this map here? It was made by the Jack Hole gang. They rob banks all the way from here to California.
Yeah, I know who the Jack Hall gang are.
Oh, them you have heard of, but me? Huh. Well, rumor has it they buried gold somewhere in this area, but were killed before they could retrieve it. They created 2 maps to ensure it was well hidden. This is the first and should lead you to the second. You just need to follow the landmarks drawn here.
Me?
Yes! Unfortunately, I am out of time now, but I am prepared to sell it to you for the low price of $10. A trifling investment for a man such as you, given the potential returns.
$2.
Ah, what the hell? Why not?
A very wise investment. I wish you the best of luck.
Alors, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Goddamn O'Driscolls! Hey, stop that wagon! One of our men's in there! What can you? Get the other out of here! Here we are, boys! Now get me the hell out of here! Come on, shoot the lock! Come on!
C'est bon, c'est tout? Ouais, encore. Il y est, c'est sûr. Oh, les chevaux.
I'm gonna tell the law all about you. And if they ever come out here,
Ah, mais c'est... ok.
Yeah, I'm shaking in my boots.
you son of a bitch! You best hope I never get out of here.
De chien. Allez, sors.
I ride with Colin O'Driscoll, you fool.
Ouais, fallait pas le dire, quoi, tu vois. Oh, un témoin. Mais gros. À moi. Ah si. Ah si, du coup. Oh, il y a de la bouffe, il y a du médicament. 14 euros. On va les prendre. Ah ouais. C'est trop fort, on a la même décorvée. Bah, on fait les corvées, on arrête. Que tu veux que je te dise.
Who ain't?
The boys around here.
They act tough. They're good boys, mostly.
It's the mostly I'm scared about.
They'll be fine. One of us.
Bouge, je sais pas t'es qui toi. Ok. C'est juste un bac, du coup. D'accord. Ah oui, je vois là. Attends. On a une lettre. 5 minutes.
Dear Arthur, I've written this letter 100 times or more, and I cannot get it right. It's me. You know it's me from the bad handwriting. I know I said when we last spoke, and I was going off to get married, that we would not speak again. I know I said a lot of things, and I meant them, I suppose, at the time. but I'm not so proud as to not speak to people who care for me, or cared for me. I've been in Valentine for a couple of months. I had some bad luck, and, well, it's a long story and not an interesting one, but I am here for now. I saw a couple of the girls, or whatever the polite term is for them, that ran with you and your associates in town, and I heard tell of a man who sounded like you. I would love to see you again if you could spare me a little bit of your time. I'm renting a room at Chadwick Farm, just north of Valentine.
Ah, bah ouais.
Yours, Mary Linton.
Bah, allez. Hein. Au nord de Valentine, c'est ça que...
Mr. Morgan, can I... Are you okay?
Yes. I was miles away, I'm afraid.
So it seems. Anyway, it's that fellow Downs.
The, do-gooder?
Exactly. We lent him quite a sum. It seems like he has little intention of repaying us. He was quite
Pause
ridiculous
publicitaire
when I went
entrante.
to see him. You've not been to see him yet, I take it?
I'm sorry, Herr Strauss. Had a lot on. I'll go give him a gentle reminder.
Not so gentle. I don't like his kind. Superior.
As you wish.
Bon, sur ce, je vous laisse là tranquillement.
You